Kimmy. Welcome to my Super Chef cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese really aromatic and smell good 3-cup chicken. Three. So we will need a few things. So we'll be using some chicken thigh. It can be chicken wings, chicken drumsticks, some ginger slices, some garlic cloves. I'm using 3. And we need these. They're almost like traffic lights. So we'll be using some sweet soy sauce, some rice wine, some sesame oil, and best of all, we need 2 smell good basil bunches. Okay, let's get cooking. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna peel off these hard stems and just leave these soft stems. Oopsies. These stems are hard. Don't need this anymore. Now we're gonna add half of the sesame oil. It's like oil, but now we're gonna add the garlic and the ginger. The garlic and the ginger in to get the smell. Some rice oil, rice wine, and the soy sauce. I'm feeling very warm now. Oh, the chickens are turning my brown. I'm using this. I'm scared. Now we're going to add the rest of the sesame oil. Now we're going to add the delicious basil. The basil doesn't need to cook for that long because, it might burn. Yay! Now I'm gonna try. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Yeah. I give it a thumbs up. And I also want you to pound the subscribe button, ring that bell, and smash that like button. And let us know in the comments below if you prefer chili or no chili. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.